Hello, welcome to what is probably going to be the most niche video I've ever put on this channel, but I hope it's of use to you. This here is a HMD-46 by Sennheiser. Really lovely headset used in theatrical communications, production, but also in air traffic control and lots of other control room environments as well. It equally has twins. It's got the HME-46, which has an electret mic, but this is a HMD. What I'm going to show you today is a quick mod that will change it from having these on-ear earpads to some larger over-ear earpads. That's a complaint we get quite a lot. Some users find them quite uncomfortable, especially people wearing glasses. They find that it presses the ear up against the stem of the glasses, the top of the earpad here, and can be quite uncomfortable. Also in production, I think we're all pretty used to having big earpads that cup the ear. Maybe help a little bit with sound rejection as well, but also for comfort. What I have here is a bag of replacement earpads, sorry about the focus, for a Sennheiser HD-215, which is a pair of standard headphones. That's the product code there, should you need it. They look like this. They are a leatherette pad with a cotton in it, and there's a plastic insert in there. You can probably just see the edge of it there. These will fit these headsets with a little bit of work. So I'll show you. It's pretty quick, but it feels quite brutal having to do it. You take the foam earpad off, and the important thing is that plastic ring in there has to get all the way over this lip here. They will just slot on and the leatherette just sort of wraps around, but they will just fall off. So what you do is you post it through at an angle and you just pull and sort of work it round with your fingers, and that plastic ring will, if you work it round as if you're, I guess, fitting a tyre on a tyre rim, it will, with a bit of a pop over that. And you just rearrange the leatherette where it just pulled a bit, and you have a large ear cup that is very securely fastened. That will just massage back. You have a very well secured and comfortable large ear cupped Sennheiser headset. So again, that part is a HD-215 replacement earpads. We use them a lot. Our users find them really comfortable, and they fit really nicely as well. They don't fall off. Yeah, so I hope that's helpful for you. I hope you find that of use, and I'll try and find something even more niche for you next time round. Thanks for watching.